that Nigerian movie?
Yes, he is. I saw the trailer of your recent movie. When will it be in the cinema?
It's unfortunate now that I'm trying to make amends and be a good husband and father to you and to our children.
Kai, why now?
I'm sorry, that's the decision of the company. And there's nothing I can do, okay?
Men, when they want something, especially if it's a woman.
If I stay here, I will not consider.
Like for my upkeep.
My upkeep. How much?
Never mind. We can have my car.
Why are we not going to school anymore?
Do we have children?
What kind of question is that? Are you okay at all this night? Hey, Chinyere, Adobe! I will never forget. Monica. Auntie Monica!
How are you?
Yes, I want you to block my ATM card and freeze my account too.
Life and death are in the power of the tongue.
I'm seeing a different James, supportive husband and a loving father. But I hope it will last. I'm happy you're enjoying it.
You're the best cook I've ever seen, honey.
You are stupid to have asked me that question. This is the answer to your question.
Whatever the case may be, whatever you guys are planning, just make sure you don't get me crying that day. You have been looking at my daughter with all this loving talk.
Right inside my being, I feel like I've known you for years. Will you marry me?
I have tried in this my life to impress men. I don't want to get married anymore. I'll just adopt 1 or 2 babies and take care of them.
That which you must do it now.